This is a hugely exciting time for the hospitals as we start the major transformation programme, which will see us refurbishing, modernising and developing our 4 sites so that they're fit for purpose for their longer term future. The next 5 years will see many interlinked building projects, and we want to reduce the environmental impact of these building works during not just design, but the refurbishment, the construction, the operation and the decommissioning stages.
An important element of our green plan is ensuring that we can accurately monitor and reduce our consumption of the utilities and finite assets that we use. The hospitals we have across Bournemouth, Poole and Christchurch are responsible for the same consumption and emissions as about 3,000 homes, and that means we're the equivalent of a small town. The 60 million units of energy and the 260 million litres of water we consume each year result in a carbon footprint of some 17,000 tonnes year on year and over £4 million of cost. Clearly this is something we're aiming to reduce. The estates team have been working with specialist suppliers and have put in place measures and new technology that have reduced our consumption and also reduced the amount of carbon that we're responsible for year on year. But we need your help to go further. To put us on the right track for our green plan, we're not only committed to buying renewable electricity from our suppliers going forward, but also reducing our consumption overall. You'll have seen there are many areas of the site that have been converted over to LED lighting. These also come with controls to switch off when spaces are not occupied. And in addition, we'll be installing more solar cells on the sites to provide our own power. The way we heat and cool the sites has also changed, with the addition of high efficiency boilers, the reuse of wasted heat from our own generator and the use of modern heat pumps planned for some of the new buildings.
Our clinical teams are really enthusiastic about incorporating sustainability into our patient pathways. It's something which is close to all of our hearts. Our green strategy sets out the need to deliver the best quality of care, mindful of social, environmental and financial impacts. And we will be using, for example, new digital technologies where possible, as well as improving the sustainability of our core pathways of care. We would also like to work closely with partners to reduce hospital visits where possible and provide care closer to home, and we've achieved some of this already during the COVID pandemic. We know there are some hotspots which we will be particularly focusing on, such as the use of anaesthetic gases, which contribute almost 2% to the carbon footprint of the NHS. However, small gains in multiple areas of the way we deliver our care will have a huge impact on our overall carbon footprint. We have ensured that this strategy dovetails with our improvement strategy, which includes the green focus as one of our themes. Involving all staff will be a key enabler to delivering this strategy.